All right, let's learn computer together. I welcome you guys to this tutorial once again. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you on how you can create a multiple Gmail, like 30 Gmail without number, without using number. Like you can create 30 Gmail, 40 Gmail, 50 Gmail, as many as you can without a single number. All right, please, you guys should try and as much as possible. For more informations on this channel, help us to subscribe to this channel, and you're gonna be seeing, turn on the notification bell, you understand, turn it on, and once we upload another stuff, another videos, another resource, it's gonna notify you that you have another notifications. Thank you guys for cooperating with us. Now in this tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through on how you can create a multiple Gmail without using number, without using a single number. I'm gonna do it now. The first thing is that you have to go to Chrome or any browser that you use on your PC. Okay, now I'm gonna go to Google or Chrome, type outlook.com. I'm gonna wait. The first one that you see is already brought me. The first one that you see here, outlook.live.com. You see, click on it. You wait a little bit, then you click on it like that. You wait a little bit and it opens to the Outlook. Boom! You can see this is where you can create a multiple Gmail, like a multiple mail without a single number. All right, now I scroll you a lot. You now have to click on create a free account. You click on it. Click on it and you wait for another page to load. Okay, you can see now this is create an account. Now I'll use a banner brand. Then I will banner brand, and then I will next after the banner brand, any name that you want to use. Then create a password. No number. You don't need any number. Put your password there. I'm gonna put my password. So like you don't need to use any number for this. It's not require number, and you can create as much as possible. You can create as many as 30, as many as 50, as many as you can create. And this is, you can even send a mail. Don't think that this is not a real one. It is real, and you can even use it to send a mail. Then what next is that you put your name, your first name and the last name. You understand? I hope you get this. The last name and the first name. The first name and the last name. All right. Let's do that. Okay, Bernard Brand. Okay, Bernard Brand. Let me delete that one. Okay. The next one is I'm gonna press next. Okay, I think okay, right. Looking at the stuff. Now next, I'm gonna press the next. That's the next thing I'm gonna do right now. I think I've done with the name. Then I press next. You're gonna wait a little bit. We ask you that United States. Don't just leave United States alone and go to the DOB, date of birth, and select any date of birth that you want to use. No, it does not require any number. Have you seen me using number? I have not. So I'm gonna put 1990. I think 1990. What can I use? Let me use 1999. 9999. Okay. Next. The next one, it does not require number. It does not require number. This is legit. It does not require number. You're gonna wait for loading. You need to wait for loading. Okay, All right, this is the where you can now create a puzzle. So they need to verify you whether you are, yeah. So this pick one square that shows the two identical, that are same identical, the two squares. I think you can see it there. This is it. So the two identical, you can see, yeah, two identical objects, you can see. And you can see this one I create, you can see now. Then you click it, done. After the done, you just, yeah, you've gotten that Gmail. You can use it to mail anybody. Yeah, you can use this to mail anybody. The only thing you have to make your password to secure. Then the next one is, oh yeah, you're gonna press this one, okay? Yes, just to log in. The only thing is you have to make your password to save. You understand? Keep it safe, and it's very faster. It's very faster. Once they mail you, it's gonna pop up. It's gonna pop up immediately, not delaying. Once they send a message to you and your data is on, you have your connections, it's gonna pop up. Yeah, this is real, and this is not a fake at all. You can see my dashboard now. I'm now on the dashboard. You can see the Benabrand BB, and you can see the inbox and the other stuff. So they're gonna welcome me. I'm gonna receive a welcome notice. Okay, don't mind me, I have my own way here. Okay, now you can see welcome to your new mail. You can see it. So this is just the end of the tutorial. Yeah, let me click on this and see welcome to the new outlook.com account. It is as simple as that. You can see hi brand. Welcome to the new blah 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 blue. You can see, yeah. So this is working. You can create as much as possible. You understand? Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informations. This is what is always make us to make a progress on research on a new informations to put to you across. Thank you guys for watching once again. Do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Love you guys. I'll see you in the next tutorial. All right, my guy.